Did you know 60% of businesses face data breaches due to inadequate privacy measures? Ignoring privacy can lead to financial losses and reputational damage. Let's explore why privacy should be a priority for every business and how Arrakis Consulting can help. Privacy by design embeds privacy into your system's architecture. It's not just a legal requirement, but a strategic advantage. Learn how this proactive approach can protect your business from potential threats. Enhance customer trust and loyalty by safeguarding their data. Reduce the risk of costly data breaches and regulatory fines. Stay ahead of competitors by prioritizing privacy in your business model. With over 25 years of experience, Arrakis Consulting specializes in privacy and security solutions tailored to your needs. Our team of experts ensures seamless integration of privacy and security into your operations. Hear from businesses that transform their privacy practices with our help. Real-world examples of how privacy by design save companies from potential crises. See the tangible benefits of partnering with Arrakis Consulting. Contact Arrakis Consulting today to start your privacy journey. Visit our website at arrakisconsulting.com or email us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com. By prioritizing privacy, you'll protect your business and build a stronger future.